You're watching Btekt, I'm David, and this video is sponsored by Direct Mobiles. For the best mobile deals, check out directmobiles.co.uk. Been using the X50 Pro from Realme lately, and this phone really does have impressive specs. If you want to see a more detailed rundown about the X50 Pro, then click the tab above or check in the description, you'll find a more detailed review there. But in this video, I'm going to test out one particular feature with the Realme X50 Pro, and that is the 65-watt charging, which is simply the fastest charging speed that I've seen so far. According to Realme, the X50 Pro will get from 0 to 100% in 35 minutes, which is quite incredible. This is the first time that I've heard a manufacturer quote the charging speeds from 0 to 100%. Usually the most they ever say is how quick it will get from 0 to 50 or 0 to 80%, but never 100. Nobody ever says how long it takes to get there because usually the battery charging speed is slowed right down when the device is around 70 to 80% full. So although the number from 0 to 50 or even from 0 to 80 might be quite fast, the time it takes to get to 100 would probably not be so impressive just to preserve the overall life of the battery. But Realme say that their method does not harm the battery and will get 100% charged in 35 minutes. So as you can see, we got to put this to the test. I have charged this phone a few times and it is so fast that you could almost sit there and watch it go all the way from 0 to 100. And I think that Realme are actually trying to encourage this as the phone leaves the screen on the whole time when it's charging. 35 minutes to charge a 4,500 mAh battery is so impressive. And once you've had one of these high capacity phones that charge super quick, it is really hard to go back to anything else. I suppose it makes you a bit lazy as you just don't have to charge your phone as often. And even when you do, you don't have to leave it on overnight. Realme bring these features as well as many other high-end smartphone tech into the X50 Pro 5G. But with the price tag being from €600 up to about $750, that version getting you a Snapdragon 865 with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of UFS 3.0 storage, there's got to be some concessions. And there is. They've jammed so much tech in there that the phone's probably slightly thicker than what you're used to. It's not really that much thicker and it's not really a problem at all, but it's just something to know. Also, there's no wireless charging, which is quite unusual for such a high-spec phone. But again, you can't blame them for having to cut back in certain areas in a phone that's so affordable. Also, the bezels around the screen are a little bit thicker than what you would expect from a flagship phone in 2020. They're not massively big, and again, it's not a huge problem, especially as the screen is such a high quality one with its 90Hz refresh rate and high pixel density. And that's it, time's up. Okay, it wasn't quite 35 minutes, it did run over by just over 2 minutes, but you gotta forgive them for that. 38 minutes to fully charge this 4,500 mAh smartphone is incredible. It's just convenience. If you woke up and you realize that you haven't charged your phone and you got to go to work within the next hour, put it on charge, by the time you're ready to go, your phone is fully charged. The phone was a little bit hot after charging, I have to say, but I guess that's to be expected, although the tech is supposed to draw the heat away from the phone and keep it down in the charger. But again, if you watched my review about the X50 Pro, you'll know that this unit is actually working on beta software and hardware. So I really wouldn't be surprised if by the time they've optimized everything that this would beat the 35-minute mark. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to go and check out Direct Mobiles when you're ready to buy your new phone, as you'll be able to compare all of the available deals with all of the different networks right there on the one website. Plus they have over 24 years of award-winning customer service, so you're in great hands. Check in the video description below for their link, or you can search directmobiles.co.uk. And go and check out the Btekt Amazon shop for all the best tech and accessories. It is the best place to find everything from earbuds to smartwatches and tablets. Find the best tech on the Btekt Amazon shop. It's well worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time we post a video. You can also follow me on social media. My name's David. This is Btekt.